Astronomy is a study of celestial objects and phenomena that originate outside the Earth's atmosphere, such as stars, comets, planets, and galaxies. Early forms of astronomy were used by civilizations such as the Harappans, Mayans, and the ancient Chinese to keep track of time, orient their cities, and even predict the future. But in time, scientists and mathematicians such as Galileo have changed and improved the study of astronomy to do more than just measure the seasons. Today we are able to learn a good number of things about the universe from two different branches of astronomy. The first branch is known as observational astronomy, which is typically what we imagine when we hear the word astronomy. Observational astronomers observe everything from things that we can see, such as planets, to things that we can't, such as ultraviolet waves emitted from distant stars. The second branch is known as theoretical astronomy. Theoretical astronomers use mathematical models to better describe what we have observed in our universe and even things that we can't observe with our current technology, such as the existence of dark matter. The study of our universe helped to advance our understanding of the laws governing it, which in turn help better develop technologies that benefit society.
Astronomers have various daily routines. Observational astronomers are the ones that use telescopes and other imaging devices to look into the sky and observe the movement and behavior of heavenly bodies. Theoretical astronomers don't spend much time behind a telescope and use computer simulations and math to try and model the universe. Overall, astronomers spend a lot of time keeping up with research conducted by others around the world. The best university for astronomy? Definitely MIT. However, in North Carolina, NC State has the best astronomy department. The prerequisites for astronomy are Calc 1, 2, and 3, and physics, that being mechanical, thermal, wave, electromagnetic, optic, and modern physics. Most people in this profession also have a PhD. Most people going into astronomy right now are going into theoretical modeling of the origin and functioning of the universe. Because this area is so saturated, the best way to get into astronomy is data collection and analysis. Over the next 10 years, the field of astronomy is projected to grow around 10%. Most astronomers usually have a doctorate degree, and the pay can range from $54,960 all the way up to $165,140, with an average pay of $110,380.
There are a lot of applications of higher-level maths in astronomy. Math is used, for instance, to calculate trajectory, finding distances to distant stars, and proving Kepler's laws. Calculus is used to calculate the trajectory of planetary objects, rockets, satellites, etc. For instance, we can use the function of an ellipse to find the orbit of a comet around the Sun. Astronomers also use parallax to measure the distances to distant stars. By measuring the position of a star in the sky after 6 months, astronomers estimate the distance to the star. Kepler's laws are also very important to the understanding of a planet's orbits around a star. The first law, the law of orbits, states that all planets move in elliptical orbits with the Sun at one focus. The second law, the law of areas, states that a line that connects a planet to the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal times. Lastly, the third law, the law of periods, states that the square of the period of any planet is proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of its orbit, which means that the time it takes for a planet to orbit a star squared is equal to the distance between the planet and the star cubed.